On Sunday, we open up for top 10. We will be sending the top scoring contestants from each of the 6 categories, all expenses paid, out to the national contest outside of Las Vegas, Nevada in September. So if you are in this contest, that is what you are striving for. I can tell you, like I said before, in the past 6 years that I've been the judging coordinator, from the state of Florida, we have had 8 national title holders. 2 of them have recorded CDs. 2 of our guys have gone on to be on American Idol Hollywood Week. One of our gentlemen was offered a chance to perform with and tour with the New Temptations. So there are opportunities if you're looking to do something more with your career than be a karaoke star. You have that opportunity. We also have some pretty impressive judges that are coming into Tampa this year. We're also going to have this year a duets category. So if everyone that's a contestant can listen up, you will get information on this, but we are having a duets category. One person in the duet must be a contestant. All right? So if a contestant is coming and you're bringing your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, and you like to sing together, you can self-sponsor and sign up to be part of that contest. We will take as many duets as possible. The cash prize will be based on how many people sign up and enter. All right? You can enter as many duets as you like. We'll have half the group do it on Friday night, the other half do them on Saturday night, and then the top 2 or 3 will perform on Sunday. There'll be a cash prize and other special prizes for them as well. We're also going to have a People's Choice Award. As the contestants are registering, you will get a ballot. You will have the chance throughout the weekend to vote for somebody that you've met throughout that weekend that you've either heard that you thought was an amazing singer, that you thought was an amazing person. You can vote for them. We will also be selling ballots for your friends and family. They can buy them throughout the weekend and then vote for their People's Choice Award. We have a special prize for that person as well. So we will also have open karaoke going on. So you will not have to leave the premises of the hotel. It's at the Doubletree Airport West Shore in Tampa. We're going to have open karaoke. So trust me, there's going to be karaoke going on from 10 a.m. until probably about 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. The KJs that are coming over are coming from the East Coast. Last time I worked with them, about 2 o'clock in the morning, there was a conga line going through the hotel singing karaoke, and he was leading the conga line with a plant out of a planter on the top of his head. So it gets pretty crazy. All right, so all the men's country contestants, I hope you've brought your names up. Put them in here. All my men's country. All right. So, just to let you all know, we do have some contestants that are here today that are being judged and not critiqued. Those contestants have either already self-sponsored themselves onto the national contest, or they have already qualified at another venue. Part of the national rules is that you can only qualify to the next level in one category. So several of the people will be getting scores only. So throughout the night you may hear me say, judges, you only need to score this contestant. And that means they will not have to critique that person. They're just here as part of the wonderful competition that Sing Idol Karaoke has been having going on. All right, so do I have all of my men's country up here now? Any more men's country? Last call. All right, I'm going to start drawing. Are y'all having a good time so far? Were those ladies good or what? All right, so first we have coming up Nathaniel Biggs. Nathaniel, you are first.
All right, we're going to take a break, Trevor. We're going to move the judges' table back. They're saying it's too loud for them up there.
Okay.
So I'm going to move their table back to the center, so give me just about 5 minutes.
All right.